Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a table of contents in Google Docs. But before we go ahead and do that, we first need to assign headings. Okay, so highlight this text, your main heading, come here to format, go over to paragraph styles. Once you hover over here, I want you to select heading 1 and click on apply heading 1. Okay, this is the main heading, and then we need subheadings. So these are the subheadings. So I'll highlight this, same process, go to format, paragraph styles, heading 2, apply heading 2. And I have a bunch of more of these. Okay, there's also a shortcut. So if I come here, format, and if I hover over paragraph styles, and I go over to heading 2, look at this, Control Alt plus 2. That is the shortcut. So I'll do it for this one, Control Alt plus 2, remember, okay? So here we go. I'll put that on my keyboard, and that is how it's done. So I'll repeat the same process for the other ones, and I'll show you how to do the table of contents. Right, so here we go. I have formatted the whole document, as you can see. And then all you need to do is come here, wherever you want to put in the table of contents. I also want to show you a neat trick. So once you highlight text, you can easily assign the styles here, heading 1, heading 2, from here as well, right? So let's say we want to insert the table of contents at the start. Come here, click on insert, come here and click on table of contents. And we have different options. So we have plain text, we have dotted, and we also have the one with links. So the one with links, if I add this one, look at this. We are able to click on these to get to that point in this particular Google Docs. Okay, so if I click here, I will reach that specific section. Let me undo this and show you the normal one. So if I come here, table of contents, put in the normal one, and there we go. I have it like this with the page numbers. Of course, you can come here and type in table of contents at the very top. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple.